In this video, we will solve your question on how to find equilibrium quantities and prices in the case of price discriminating monopolist. The question is, a price discriminating monopolist operating in three market segments have demand function. Demand function in the market 1 is given by P1 is equal to 63 minus 4 Q1, where P1 is the price in the first market and Q1 is the output in the first market. Likewise, we have the demand function in the second market, P2 is equal to 105 minus 5 Q2. In the third market, we have the demand function is P3 is equal to 75 minus 6Q3, where Q is equal to total output is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Her cost function is C is equal to 20 plus 15Q. Find the equilibrium quantities Q1, Q2 and Q3 and equilibrium prices, that is P1, P2 and P3. Okay. For a discriminating monopolist, what will he do? She will equate the marginal revenue with the marginal cost in each of the markets to maximize his profits. Okay. So in the first market, since P1 is equal to 63 minus 4Q1, we need to find out the total revenue function in the first market, which will be equal to P1 into Q1. So P1 is this function 63 minus 4Q1, to this we multiply by quantity which is Q1. So we will get 63 Q1 minus 4Q1 square. Okay. Now what will be the marginal revenue in the first market? That will be the change in the total revenue, that is TR1, due to the change in the quantity in the first market. The derivative of this function with respect to Q1. Derivative of Q1 is 1, so we are left with 63 minus derivative of Q1 square is 2Q, so 2 into 4 is 8Q1. Okay. Now for profit maximization in the first market, what will we do? We will equate the marginal revenue in the first market with the marginal cost in the first market. Now total cost function is being given as C is equal to 20 plus 15. Now Q is Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. We know that. That means total cost will be equal to 20 plus 15 Q1 plus 15 Q2 plus 15 Q3. Now marginal cost will be marginal cost will be equal to the change in the cost due to the change in the quantity, that is Q1. So we have to take partial derivative of this function with respect to Q1. Derivative of a constant is 0, derivative of third term and fourth term is also 0, because we are taking partial with respect to Q1. Derivative of Q1 is 1, so we are left with 15. So equating marginal revenue with marginal cost gives us 63 minus 8 Q1 should be equal to the marginal cost, which is marginal cost in the first market, which is 15. Solving for Q1, so we will get, so 8 Q1 is equal to 63 minus 15. So 8 Q1 is equal to, so we will get here 8 5 minus 1 is 4, 48. Dividing both sides by 8, so Q1 will be equal to 6. That is quantity in the first market, will be equal to 6. Now what will be the price in the first market? Plug Q1 equal to 6 in this equation, so we have 63 minus 4 times 6, so we get here P1 will be equal to 63 minus 4, 6 are 24, so P1 will be equal to 9, so that will be the equilibrium price. P1 Q1 in the first market will be equal to 39 and 6. Likewise, to find out the equilibrium quantity and price in the second market, what will we do? We equate, we will find out the total revenue in the second market, that will be equal to P2 into Q2, which will be equal to 105 minus 5 Q2, to this we multiply by Q2, so total revenue will be equal to, total revenue in the second market will be equal to 105 Q2 minus 5 Q2 square. Okay, so you can do it by yourself also, and let me show it here. So marginal revenue in the second market will be equal to the derivative of this function with respect to Q2. So derivative of Q2 is 1, so we are left with 105 minus derivative of Q2 square is 2Q, so 2 into 5 is 10 Q2. This will be the marginal revenue. Marginal cost in the second market will be same, because if we take partial derivative of this function with respect to Q2, we will get again 15. Equating marginal revenue with marginal cost, we get 105 minus 10 Q2 should be equal to 15, or 10 Q2 should be equal to 105 minus 15, which comes out to be 90, I guess. So Q2 will be equal to 90, or rather 10 Q2 is equal to 90, dividing both sides by 10. That means we will get Q2 will be equal to 9. Okay, plug Q2 is equal to 9 in this equation, so we get 105 minus 5 into 9. That will give us the equilibrium quantity in the second market. Likewise, you can find out in the third market. I hope I make myself clear in this video and you find out these videos helpful. Thank you.